Hi, my name is Andreas Brunner. I'm working for Thermo Fisher Scientific and I'm talking about AppsLab today, a new online application library that we launched at Pittcon 2015. What I'm going to show you today is how easy it is with the AppsLab library to get from your analytical challenge straight into an application that you can download straight from the application library into Chromeleon and run it from there. So this is the AppsLab online library front page, and as you can see there is an area where you can type keywords, anything you want for searching your application. You can also go by instrument type. We are covering like GC, LC, IC, and also mass spectrometry. So let's say you have an HPLC application that you are looking for, then you can also refine by market immediately, let's say food and beverage, and do a direct search. Once you come into the search, you get a list of hits shown with various applications in that area. Yeah? On the left-hand side, you see a couple of things that you can choose from. So for example, you could define which matrix you are working with, which column technology you are using, and there is more. For example, you might want to check how old the application actually is, when it has been added, what the compound name was that you are interested in. So after refining these parameters, you can go straight into the application just by clicking on any of these. Yeah? And here is how the application is represented in the AppsLab's library. So this is an application in the AppsLab and how it is represented in the screen. So on top we have a chromatogram plot, which also labels all the peak names. You can even zoom in and have a closer look. Underneath we have the list of the components with names and compound class and the retention time. Next to it you find all the details about the method, including the gradient details, column oven temperature and things like that. Next to it you find also all the information about the system this application has been acquired with. In this case it's an Dionex Ultimate 3000, and the column details and all the other consumables like eluents. You can even download a part list with the orderable parts for this application. In the last section, this one is maybe the most interesting one, because it can provide you with downloads for this application. So for example, application note or a web link to the instrument page, but also with what we call an e-workflow, which is really like a canned application that you can download straight into a chromatography data system and then run the application directly from there if you have the right instrument. So this will speed up the way from the analytical challenge all the way down to the execution in the chromatography data system a lot for you and greatly improve your efficiency. So if you want to try out the AppsLab yourself, just go to appslab.thermoscientific.com, and to learn more about Chromeleon and all the features of Chromeleon, go to our webpage thermoscientific.com/Chromeleon, which will take you to the Chromatography Data System Resource Center.